Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use ChatGPT plugins in 2025 step by step. Now, the plugins in ChatGPT can turn your ChatGPT into a powerful assistant that can connect to the live data, browse the web, or even interact with the external apps. So whether you are using it for SEO, research, or productivity, I will walk you through how you can enable them, how you can install them, and use them very easily. So first of all, you need to come here on chatgpt.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now there is one thing that you need to remember, that plugins can only work with ChatGPT 4 or the GPT-5 models. So you can just click on this drop down menu in order to check the model which you are basically currently using. Now, if you don't see the plugin feature, you need to make sure that you are using the ChatGPT Plus or the Pro plan with the plugin access. Now here, when you click on this ChatGPT icon here on the top, you are going to see the option of explore underneath GPTs. So when you click on the option of GPTs, you will be landed here on this page where you are going to see some of the top picks of plugins like Write for Me for writers, Scholar GPTs for research, then we have Consensus for research, and then we have the AI PDF drive for chat creation and organization. So here you can just try to find the plugin that you need here in the topics section. You can just scroll down a bit and take a look at all of the plugins that are available over here. You can also search for any of the plugins which in your mind, so you can just simply use the search bar and search for it. If you are in the writing niche, you can separately click on the option of the writing tab. Then you can just take a look at the plugins that are available here. You can then click on the option of see more in order to get more plugins. Now, whichever plugin you want to add here in your ChatGPT account, simply click on that particular plugin, then wait for some time until it shows you this type of option in front of you. After that, you just have to click on the option of start chat. Now you are going to see it over here in the right hand section of yours. So you can just simply click hi over here in this chat box in order for it to come here in the left hand section of yours. So as you can see in this plugin, I have entered hi and it will come here in the left hand section. Now in order to add it here in the sidebar, simply click on the option of three dots right next to it, then select the option of keep it in the sidebar. So this way you will be able to click on any of the plugins that you have added here in your ChatGPT account and you will be able to start chatting with it in no time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.